Tonight is special. It marks a celebration of new relationships, of new members, and a recommitment to acting for our shared future, one which we will shape together.
My name is Amy Leah Tamburini, and I'm here representing the Shambhala Meditation Center. We have approximately 130 members, but serve over 1,100 people, and we're really honored to be part of GVAT.
My name is Kathy Stinson. I represent Victoria Kool-Aid Society. We have over 330 staff, a couple of hundred volunteers, and we serve over 12,000 people experiencing marginalization.
My name is Courtney Baldwin, and I too would like to acknowledge the traditional unceded territories of the Wasanik, the Songhees, and the Esquimalt people, on whose lands I live, work, and play. Tonight, I represent the Graduate Student Society, and we are currently exploring GVAT membership for the entire student body at U of Vic. When I was invited to a GVAT workshop, I thought I'd heard it all before. Turns out, I hadn't.
My name is Reverend Melora Lynn Good. I serve as co-minister of the First Unitarian Church of Victoria. I am also a parent. I am personally drawn to the GVAT model because when I think of my kids and the kids I know in our congregation and in our wider community, I worry. How will they navigate the challenges before them? The effects of climate change, the economic pressures, the cold edge of digital culture, the increasing stress and isolation of everyday living.
My name's Bishop Gary Gordon. One of the things that GVAT represents here in Victoria is it's a new path of acting together in common rather than in competition.
I'm proud that the BCGEU is committed to work with Greater Victoria Acting Together, or GVAT, because our union is just one part of the broader society. It's by working together with other groups that we build strength and solidarity within our communities.
GVAT is the vehicle that we need to tackle the root of problems, which place pressure on our members, on our loved ones, and on communities. Individually, we are a union, or a synagogue, or a church, or a student society. Together, united, we are a unified force and more powerful than any of us can imagine.
Its unique emphasis on relationships makes it both communally powerful and personally enriching. Those barriers of prejudice break down when we get to know each other and work together. GVAT is based on a model that has been proven to work for decades now in cities all over the world.
Last week I walked a picket line for 8 hours through the night. When you walk a picket line, you really understand what solidarity means. The workers on this picket line are fighting for a first contract. Some have not had a raise in over 10 years. I want others in the wider community to understand that fighting for economic justice is their fight too.
How do we take care of each other and this planet that we share? How do we face the big issues together? I'm just one person. My congregation is just 300 people. How can we affect real change in the systems that affect us all? We are all connected in Victoria, in the wider world. When one among us is hurting, we feel that. It hurts us too. When our congregation understood the unique power of this model, they voted unanimously to join.
The listening campaign is one of the most fundamental tools GVAT uses to inform us about our members and what they care about most, and more importantly, where their energy lies to take on these issues. The issues that we talked about and the stories we shared won't just stay inside our church. They will help inform which issues GVAT takes on and help shape the campaigns we will design together.
All right, let me get this straight. First, we ask the organizations and the people in them what they care about.
That's right.
Then we try to figure out who the leaders are, who are all these passionate people, I guess like the people here tonight. But then, how are we going to do it?
After we've brought more groups into GVAT and we've conducted our own listening campaigns, then we will have built real local power.
Okay, I think you've sold me.
Makes sense.
All right.